Of the 8 simple machines, I feel like the incline plane was always the one I understood the most. There's not that much to it. It's pretty simple. And I watched this video, and now I'm not even sure if I know what an incline plane or a simple machine is.
There's some things in school that they make you feel good. They make you feel like you're intelligent. You just get it, and then you're overwhelmed with excitement because you're actually not an idiot, okay? And then there's physics, okay? Which every day I'm reminded how mediocre of a student that I am because of that one class that I have. Because there's not one concept that we have done that I can do again successfully. I don't think, you know. Like at the time I could. Like, you know, I had chemistry, and there was just a lot of cheating in chemistry, just like a lot of cheating in chemistry. But in physics I haven't cheated, okay? You should be proud of me. I actually done the stuff. It's just, a lot of it hasn't been right, and the other part of it is just taking me a really long time. You know, so it's just not a very successful thing for me, physics something. But here's the thing with me. I don't ask questions, because asking questions, that's like a sign of weakness. So I figure it out, you know? Like, it takes a while, and it's unsuccessful most of the time. That's why I left, like, 5 questions blank on my last quiz, you know? But I just don't do questions. Like, I'm just not about that life. That's just something that I've never done. You know, I figure stuff out, and if I can't figure it out, I get it wrong. But those are the 2 options. You figure it out yourself, or you get it wrong. You know, most of the time it's unfortunately the second option. Okay, so I was just informed that I was supposedly talking about this particular project and not just my high school career, and that's my bad, really. I've never been very good at listening, to be honest. It's never been my thing. But yeah, this video, like, before this video, if you asked me what an incline plane was, you know, it's kind of like a ramp, really, is what it is. But, like, after this video, like, I still just think it's a ramp. Like, I really don't think this has helped me a whole lot. And that's probably because of how we've done it. You know, we haven't really taken it too seriously. But that's kind of a mental problem that we all have, is we have issues taking things seriously. You know, and it's always been a problem for me in particular. You know, but just maturity. You know, it's something that I've always lacked. When you get a group of immature people, it's kind of like an equation, you know? Like, trying to think. You know, immature plus immature
equals
plus
MC
immature
squared
plus immature equals nothing productive, is what that equals. Literally nothing productive can come from this.
Listen, if there's one thing I know for a fact, it's that this video is just terrible.
I want to know where's Cody Houser right now. Like, that's what I want to know. He's not here. The Chodester decided not to show up. We said we would all help with this video project. Where's he? Show a panoramic view of what we're dealing with right now. He's all
No chode.
Cody is not here.
No chode. 0 chode.
I guess he's a little short.
A child.
That's not funny.
Shortcomings.
For you, Garrett Webb.
So, I want you to know that his grade needs to reflect this, Miss Studdard. With all due respect, a 0 is in order.
I'm ready to come over here and make something productive and informal, educational, and, you know, something about incline planes, about science, and, you know, something that we can respect, something that's, you know, we can be proud of. And Cody Housley isn't even here. Him and his belt buckle, his 99 golf score, cowboy hat and dip, and Leonard Skinner. And I'm over it. I really am. He deserves a 0, Miss Studdard. It's ridiculous. We're trying to make something serious here, and now it's going to be bullshit.
I know this time is supposed to be spent talking about physics, okay, and particularly this video. But there are more important things to talk about right now. So we're going to talk about the root of all evil, / Cody Housley. And have you ever just walked outside and you're just having a bad day, you know? Like,
yes,
you just walk
I
outside, you have a flat tire, you know, it's just a terrible day. You know why. You know why. Cody Housley is why. Like, I promise you, Cody Housley is why.
Is that
Okay.
true?
I know all of you have probably dealt with an animal, a pet that you've had that's passed away. Whose fault is that?
Cody's.
Cody Housley. Yes, exactly. It's Cody Housley's fault. Okay. I'm not saying he's personally killed your animal. What I'm saying is that
Your animal has no will to live
Yeah.
because of Cody Housley.
yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. What I'm saying is Cody Housley is controlled by Lucifer. Okay.
So we're here at Kmart, where Derek said he had to work today, so he couldn't film with us, and guess what? We walked through there, moseyed on through the aisles, and he's not even there. Tell him about it, Will.
So Miss Stoddard, not only this is a blatant lie, but it's disrespectful towards you and the project you assigned. I feel like the only proper punishment for this child is a 0 and some ISS.
Here's the Stallion's house, Stallion's car, clearly not Kmart. There's this malnourished dog.
Alright, so he lives at 527 Holt Street. So if you have any spam mail or any just unwanted things, maybe a bomb or two, send them here. Because this kid not only is a liar, but he's a cheat, and he's a blasphemer, he's a rapist, he's a murderer, and above all, he's a stallion.
Yes.
And he's a
He's an
stallion.
animal abuser.
Mm-hmm. If you look at that dog. Can you see the dog?
Maybe a little bit.
If you can, that dog is retarded.
Mm-hmm.
It is spinning around in circles, and you can tell it is malnourished.
It's so malnourished it doesn't even know what it's doing.
So also report animal abuse. You can go to the Humane Society website and type in this address with his name, and he will be red flagged.
Yes.
So
That's already been done twice, actually.
the dog whisperer. Be gone.
So I'm here to demonstrate the incline plane. I've got this incline plane and this suspicious blueberry muffin. Now, it's simple. I don't need your science talk and your space words to understand the fact that when you go up, it's harder because gravity is acting sideways because of the ramp, and then when you pull it up straight into gravity, it's easier to lift with a crane or whatever. You have to rent it, pay for it, but it's easier to lift up than it is to slide up the ramp. Now, when it comes to scientific, everything is 10. Multiply by 10, divide by 10, plus 10, subtract 10, whatever. So when you slide it down the ramp, it goes 10 times faster than it normally would because gravity acts straight down, but when it's sideways, gravity doesn't act on it at all, so it slides on its own like ice, kind of. Gravity doesn't act on ice either. See, in our community and throughout the United States and even the world, bullying has become a serious issue. I can't stress that enough. See, if I was, and there's different types of bullying, but this one is physical. And if I were to push Derek off of this playground, he would probably break his collarbone, and mostly more, but definitely his collarbone. But see, with the use of the incline plane, the bullying issue is completely resolved. the humiliation that he deserves.
138 SSD.
It's a 138 safety Delta.
I don't think it's safety. Is that the right phonetic? I don't think it is.
I don't think it is either, but that's the only thing that I could even think of. Oh my god. Dude,
Is that even Will's
away.
car?
No, it's Alfonso's car.
Why are they in Alfonso's car?
Hello, my name's Cody Housley, and I'm running for the President of the United States of America.
Hello, I'm Derek Gallion, and I'm running for Vice President of the United States of America. And today, I'm here to tell you, the people of America, that North Korea, they have won the coin toss. And what they've done, they've elected to recede.
I'm here to tell you today that with this nuclear energy, we're going to f*** North Korea.
All rise for the Honorable Cody Housley.
Put the gang sign there.
Yes, sir.
There will be no gang signs in my courtroom. Today, this is a sad day for you guys. We're here to convict you of death. The death penalty.
What? Convict me of death.
All right.
You're very articulate,
Listen,
Judge.
quit being a smart. Your rap sheets includes numerous accounts of speeding, reckless driving,
It's not really reckless.
driving without a license, reckless endangerment, endangerment of a minor, rape, statutory rape,
I swear she was 18.
public drunkenness, disturbing the peace, indecent exposure,
I feel like it's decent exposure.
breaking and entering, manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter,
No,
non-negligent manslaughter, vandalism, vehicular manslaughter, fraud, misleading shareholders, bribery, insider trading, tax evasion, embezzlement, pyramid schemes, loitering, grand theft auto, littering, texting and driving, tampering with mail, robbery, armed robbery, rolling stop, arson,
That one's debatable.
bullying, cyberbullying, slander, extortion, child abuse, child abandonment, child pornography,
I swear she was 18.
hate crimes, kidnapping,
What's that?
soliciting prostitution, stalking, you dine and dash, ransom, class A, B, and D, narcotics, and 3 counts of jaywalking.
Not get C class in there?
How do you plead?
Innocent. Not guilty.
Well, it doesn't matter because this is a sentencing hearing. I sentence you to death by incline plane. Bailiff, take them out.
All events in this video have been fabricated for the enjoyment of the viewer, and all facts used are fictional.